Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will edit photos using Vsco. This is an example of filter photos before and after editing. Okay, let's just go to Vsco. This is the initial appearance of Vsco. The first step is to click on the studio icon, then click the plus icon. Select the photo you want to edit. Okay, if you have selected a photo, click Import. Next, click on the imported photo. Then select the Settings panel icon. A little information, for the Vsco version that I use, this is Vsco version 118, which is already full filter. For those who don't have Vsco that I use, you can check the description link to download. Okay, go to editing. Here we use Q3 filter. Next, click the filter settings icon. For the exposure, select number -1.5, because in this photo, the light is too bright. Okay, if so, we click checklist. For the contrast, select number +0.8. Okay, if so, we click checklist. For the sharpen, select number +0.8. Next to the saturation, select the number +1, so that the colors in the photo will be sharper. Next, we click the tone icon. For the highlights, here we raise the full, +12. If we click check again. Next, we go to with balance. For the temperature part, we choose the number +1.7. And for the tint part, we choose the number +2.5. Okay, if so, we click checklist. Next we go to skin tone. Here we choose the number -6. Okay, if so, we click checklist. Next we go to split tone. Then click highlight tint, choose blue, and select the number +3.5. Okay, if so, we click checklist. Then we go to HSL, so we will adjust the colors in the photo. We go to orange. Shark select number +0.2. Saturation select number -2.7. Luminance select number -1.8. We go to yellow. Who select number -5. Saturation select number +0.5. Luminance select number +2.3. We go to green. Saturation select number -6. We go to blue. Saturation select number -6. We go to magenta. Saturation select number -6. OK, editing complete. And here the results are more or less like this. We click save. OK, then we set the filter together so that it can be applied to other photos. The way, we click point 3, then click copy edit. Then select the photo you want to apply the filter settings. Then click on the dot 3, select paste edit. And the filter settings will move. And this is the result. Hope you guys like this filter. Okay, that's all my video this time. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.